Today we have full body stretching routine, and this can be used before your dance class, but I would recommend you to use it after the ballet classes because we are actually going to stretch hamstring, quadriceps, calves, and even your back. Now, we are going to begin parallel. We are going to turn towards the right side, and we are going to reach to the floor. Just that. Your toes are going to be pointing to the diagonal to the right. And just try to lower your chest as closer to your knee as possible. Awesome. Lift chest up and breathe out and get as close to your legs as possible. Right now in this position, I feel the stretch on my right leg, my hamstring, right? So try to feel that there, or maybe you can be using this exercise to stretch your left leg's calves. Nice. You're going to bend your back knee, bend your toes facing up, and increase that stretch. Now you should be feeling it on your calf of the front leg. Don't forget to breathe, stretch, and now one more time, bend your back leg and flex your front leg's toes facing up. One more time, stretch, lift chest halfway up, breathe in, breathe out, bend back knee, flex your toes, and recover up. You're going now to bring the front leg a little bit farther away. You're going to bend front knee and lunge position. Just that. Stretch up and lower again. And stretch front leg and bend. One more time, keep breathing in. And out, lunge position. Breathe in and stretch. Breathe out, lunge position. In and out, lunge position. Awesome. Now you're gonna drop back knee, point your toes, chest up, and we're gonna hold that position just for a few seconds. Make sure that your hips are square, facing forward, and pressing down. You can challenge yourself by trying to control here some balance with hands on your knee, or just lower hands down, and you can increase even that stretch, but keep pressing down. Okay, tuck your toes in and stretch and lower knee down. And again, stretch and lower down. One more time, stretch, lower down, and last time, stretch. Now we are going to stretch legs up. We are going to turn toes facing forward and just there, relax. You can rock your hips side to side. You can bend and stretch. One more time, bend and stretch. Last time, bend and stretch. Recover up. Nice. Now we are going to do the same. We are going to turn towards the left diagonal in front of us. Just breathe. And lower chest down. As close as possible to your front leg. Breathe in, lift up. Breathe out, lower chest down. Breathe in, lift. Breathe out, closer and closer. Awesome. We are going to bend back knee, flex toes facing to the roof, and stretch. Stretch knee and bend back. and stretch forward and bend back. Stretch forward, lift chest halfway up, lower down. Awesome. We are going to open that front leg a little bit farther away. We are going to bend front knee, lunge position, and stretch up. Lunge position. Breathe in, stretch. Breathe out, lunge position. Breathe in, stretch. Breathe out, lunge position. Last time. Lunge position. Drop knee down, point your toes, lift chest up, and remember, you have two options, either here with hands on your knee or hands down to the ground and pressing even farther down your hips. Awesome. Okay, toes on the ground and stretch knee and bend and stretch and bend. Two more, stretch, bend. Last time, stretch. Now we are going to recover with both legs stretch up, toes facing forward. We go to center, rock hips side to side. You can bend and stretch, bend and stretch. Last time, recover up, relax your torso. Awesome. We are going to do second position, grand plie, and you can rest over one side, change to the other side, feel your hips stretching. You can rest even lower down, it's fine. Find the position that helps you to stretch. If this is too much for you, go down to butterfly position. Here you can twist by dropping one shoulder forward and facing back. Slightly stretch off your back. Just twist a little bit. I'm going to do the last stretch. And down to the floor. In a straddle or almost front split, we are just stretch legs. We are going to go side to side, side to side. Two more. Well down. Legs together, right in front of you. Bend one leg, bring your ankle to the knee, knee down, and you're gonna reach forward. Just that. Breathe. I feel my hamstring and lower glutes muscles stretching here. Recover up, plant that foot on the ground. So I have right leg on the floor. I'm gonna bring my left elbow and I'm going to look back. So twisting your back. Awesome, recover and change leg. Press your knee down and reach forward. Recover up. Left knee, right elbow, and look to the back. Awesome, one last stretch. You're gonna sit on your knees. You're going to lift your booty up. You're going to open your left leg in front of you. Just going to drop knee down, facing forward. And here we are going to stretch our quadriceps. So you're going to find a way, if you need to use the wall to balance yourself, or you need to put your left hand on the ground while you reach with your right hand to your right toes, do so, or just lift up. Now, look at this position of my hips, pressing down. Awesome. Just hold it for a few more seconds. Slowly lower down. Stretch your front knee, lower chest down. Stretch up and change. Right leg in front, hips down, open chest, and right hand to the ground. Left leg to left toes, and stretch your quadriceps. Release your leg, stretch front knee, toes facing to the roof, lower chest down. Recover up. And thank you very much for joining me in this stretch today. I will leave some exercises down below for you to do as per point exercises, ballet class bar, which I did very recent and it's really amazing. So I hope that you join that class. And the best way that you can support me on this channel is by sharing with your friends, giving a like to the video. Every time that you enjoy the video and you give a like, I love seeing that. And don't forget to click the notification bell, because every time I upload a video, you will thank me if you receive that notification directly. So you get really excited. Yay, new ballet class from Ballet for All. I can't wait to join Yelena. So click the notification bell and I'm gonna see you in my next video.